Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to guide you how to get Uber Eats bag. The process is simple and quick, just follow me till the end. First sign up and get approved as an Uber Eats delivery partner. Once done, your account is active. Uber may send you a welcome email with a link to order your official insulated delivery bag. You can also check in the Uber driver application under the account section or delivery section for options to order gear. Select the type of bag you want, pay and required fee, and enter your shipping address. If you prefer, you can also buy compatible insulated bags from other online stores for extra or larger options. Using an insulated bag not only meets Uber guidelines in some areas but also helps keep food warm and ensures a professional service for customers. And that's all. That's how you will be able to get Uber Eats bag. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.